A very quick one. Emma, anyị ekwela okwu ihe pastry n'irete. So we didn't just want to talk about it and then leave it. No, we went to Irete to make investigations. Gagaria, jojo. You know, chopota na onye dere ha who a vigilante from Irete. Listen very attentively. Onye dere ha who a vigilante from Irete. From the prophecy of a prophet in a church ogra. You know, a prophet buramoma. Na ihe dị otu a ga-eme onye ọbụla dịkwa njikere. You know, a prophet prophesies, and when a prophet prophesies, ọbụzọ oke na ọrụ dịrị gị as a person, as a Christian, ma ọ so onye nọ nga eburu amụma ahụ to do what? To prepare for the fulfillment of the prophecy. So the prophets ekwuchazi ihe niile o kwuru na church. This person who gara that church eje de ihe ahụ mapawea, a kind of executing, a kind of, you know, making it go viral, making it public. Probably in the kande na abia ho church eno ya na agote ebe anyị na-eje. Probably kande na abia ho church nụkwa ihe ahụ, but onwe ho ọ bụrụ na o dere na ihe words of a prophet. Asị okay, ihe wụ a prophetic utterance. O meghị ụta. So ya je dezie mapawea na wall n'Irete. Ụjọ ji bịaza ndị mmadụ eji nwezie panic. You know, and the police ejidele the person. Now trust the prophet. Police ejidele that trust the prophet. Gị hapụ ozi. At times when you take the message and leave the messenger. Yes, the police say it is misinformation. It is not. This is a prophecy. We have a lot of prophecies in this country. And whether it is a prophecy or not, in fact, the prophecy is something that is already happening. Today. No, go to it and make your investigations now. Ogu for the by 1 a.m. Zugidoshi on Akufo. Make investigations so now. This is it is a public in the public domain. Umaka gabi 40, 50. What way community? Then so she from house to house, house to house, house to house, house to house. That I am aware that even one of the leaders of the vigilante in that community, police, that period in hand on them, when down my can on his police, they are a crowd, umaka down Sunday, na halazo. Because crowd can't go. Umaka, they wash Hana in 50s, in 40s. So, whether the prophet said it or whether the prophet did not say it, this thing is already happening. It is something we know that has been happening. Almost also on the on the men are what back. On the men no go back. Onwe bona heme Nimo State. And Ebo Maka and Eja Park way back Coca-Cola bus stop. Those empty buildings on a Coca-Cola bus stop. That industrial layout. Not on the road. Not kwa Irete. And they have custom quarters, custom area. Yeah, we have BAB there. They have clusters there. You know? So, what the police should do is to launch an investigation. They should go to that Coca-Cola bus stop area, custom area, industrial layout, not on a road. They should go there. Not only there, they should go to cluster market naked. Find out what these boys are doing. These boys that are not documented. You know? So what we are doing is creating awareness for us to secure ourselves. Security is everybody's business. And we cannot keep quiet when things are going wrong. So I hear police question. Yes, I say go first. Check in Mumaka on the Mehedota. He had a jay, they had a jay, Bakara, this year, the Cabaru had a jay, Bakara. Only had a jar packing when the mother has Runoshi. In the night. In the night. So they should stop looking for the prophet. They should look at the substance of the information. That is most important. Thank you very much.